Investing and savings are basically two totally different choices. Every human being in their lives have to take decision about choices they have to follow for rest of their life. Guys, in this video, I will be letting you know which one of these traits would help you to achieve your financial success. If a person chooses the path of investing the money in their life, that signifies that a person is willing to take risk in his life, willing to have correct education so as to grow and prosper his finances. Whereas on the flip side of the coin, a person chooses the path of saving, that signifies that he is not willing to take risks and not sold on the idea of passive income. Is saving money is the key? No, definitely not. Then investing helps you achieve your financial freedom? The answer to both is no, because investing and saving go hand in hand with each other. Without savings, you can't invest, and for investing, you need savings. Learn how to master both of these traits in order to achieve financial freedom in your life. Both of these traits are extremely important for you to understand. Deciding between these traits, which one to learn, it's completely wrong. It's like deciding which hand do you want in the life, left or right. It's completely stupid to decide between the two when you can have both of these traits. Most of the people spend their money very quickly. They might pay off the debt or buy a new car or a new dream house which they have been waiting for all their life. See, that's the problem with most of us. We are all taught to spend money. See, all the advertisements on the television, we are taught to be consumer. In life, there are two types of people, spenders and investors. I know there are a lot of nice things that we all want to buy. What I am asking you to is cut down a little money side for investments. I am not asking you to live life cheaply. I am only asking you to save some percent of the money you make. 10, 20, $30 a month in a book or maybe in an online course can get you in the habit of investing. Not making enough money every single month, if that's the reason you are not saving up and investing, guys, I'm not asking you to be investing $100,000 towards building. What I am asking is investing 10, 20, $30 every single month towards your knowledge, maybe buying a new book or new online course that helps you develop your skill so as you are able to make more money. In the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Rich Dad always teaches his son to make money work for him, not to work for the money. A lot of the people don't realize that they have to plant a tree today so as to eat the fruit tomorrow. The same goes with investing. You have to invest your money today and enjoy all the financial freedom for the rest of your life. Look at all the billionaires. They don't work for the money. Money works for them. Because it's almost impossible for everyone to work for 24 hours a day, but it's possible that money works 24 hours a day and gives your result in no time. Always think that the investment you make is an employee that works 24 hours a day and 365 days in a year and lets you keep all the profits. In my opinion, it's a win-win situation that you can't deny. Stop procrastinating and start working towards saving and investments so as to live a better future.